वेलकम टू इडू फार्मा एक्सपर्ट। नमस्कार दोस्तों। तो आज का टॉपिक है मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन ऑफ नोवल ड्रग डिलीवरी सिस्टम, जिसे हम एनडीडीएस के नाम से भी जानते हैं, जो कि 7 सेमेस्टर में है। कोड BP704T। इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन 10 मार्क्स। नंबर 1, डिस्क्राइब द वेरियस फिजिकोकेमिकल एंड फार्मास्यूटिकल फैक्टर टू बी कंसीडर्ड इन सिलेक्शन ऑफ अ ड्रग कैंडिडेट फॉर कंट्रोल डिलीवरी फॉर्मुलेशन। नंबर 2, राइट द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ कंट्रोल ड्रग डिलीवरी सिस्टम, explain the approaches for the control release formulation based on dissolution. Number 3, define polymer and its classification with the diagram and also explain its application. Number 4, discuss various method of formulation, microencapsulation and their application. Number 5, define transmucosal permeability and also explain the formulation consideration of buccal delivery system. Number 6, define TDS, transdermal drug delivery system, and basic concept of TDS and its application. Number 7, what are the various formulation approaches of TDS and also explain factor affecting permeation. Number 8, explain the formulation advantage, disadvantage and application of liposome, neosome, nanoparticles, monoclonal antibody. Number 9, define ODDS and also explain the intraocular barrier and method of overcome. Number 10, explain IUD and also discuss development of IUD and its application. Important question saved marks. Number 1, discuss the approaches to CDDS in context to diffusion and dissolution. Number 2, explain the physicochemical or biological property of drug relevant to CDDS. Number 3, what are the various application of polymer used in the formulation of CDDS. Number 4, define mucosal drug delivery system and also explain the principle of bioadhesive or mucoadhesive. Number 5, write a detailed note on formulation consideration of buccal delivery system. Number 6, explain implantable drug delivery system and elaborate concept of implant and osmotic pressure. Number 7, define the permeation of drug and also explain factor affecting permeation. Number 8, elaborate the basic concept of TDDS. Number 9, explain the formulation of monoclonal antibodies. Number 10, explain the formulation of liposome. Number 11, define the intraocular barrier and method to overcome. Number 12, write a short note on development of IUD and its application. Important question 2 marks. Number 1, what do you mean by CDDS? Number 2, define polymer. Number 3, write any two physicochemical biological property of drug relevant to CDDS. Number 4, define ideal characteristic of polymer required in formulation of CDDS. Number 5, define microencapsulation. Number 6, explain principle of biodiesel. Number 7, what are the disadvantages of IDDS? Number 8, define TDS, GDDS, nasopulmonary DDS, nasal spray, nebulizer. Number 9, define liposome, neosome, nanoparticles, monoclonal antibodies. Number 10, define ODDS, IUDS. 11, application of IUD. 12, define ocular formulation. ये नोबल ड्रग डिलीवरी सिस्टम के बहुत ही मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन को सिलेक्ट करके हमने इसमें समराइज किया हुआ है और ये आपके एग्जाम के लिए बहुत ही हेल्पफुल होगा। ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।